Frogs come in over 7,000 species worldwide. Each is uniquely fascinating, with its own diet, habitat, and quirks. Let's leap into the lives of 100 amazing frogs from every corner of the globe and find out if they're edible. The Amazon milk frog, found in the dense rainforests of South America, spends its life in tree canopies. The Amazon milk frog, found in the dense rainforests of South America, spends its life in tree canopies. It feasts on insects like crickets, moths, and beetles. While it's strikingly beautiful with creamy markings, its skin is mildly toxic, so not edible. The vibrant poison dart frog lives in Central and South America. It eats ants and mites that help produce its toxins. Indigenous tribes used its poison for hunting, but it's not a dinner option. Meanwhile, the African bullfrog, a heavyweight from sub-Saharan Africa, eats almost anything it can fit in its mouth: bugs, birds, and even small mammals. It's considered a delicacy in some cultures. It's considered a delicacy in some cultures. North America's green tree frog clings to wetlands and forests, munching on flies and mosquitoes. Though loved for its soothing croaks, it's not typically consumed. The Indian bullfrog is a striking species found in marshes and lakes. With its flashy yellow and blue breeding colors, it eats insects and small vertebrates. In some parts of India, it's cooked as a protein source. Madagascar's golden mantella is a tiny treasure, dazzling with bright orange skin. It feeds on termites and fruit flies, but is strictly protected and not edible. The Australian green tree frog is a household favourite, famous for its adorable appearance and deep croak. It snacks on moths and flies and secretes a substance thought to have healing properties. The Goliath frog, the largest in the world, hails from Cameroon and Gabon. It can weigh up to 7 pounds and eats insects, crustaceans and small reptiles. Due to its rarity, it's not typically eaten. On the other hand, the pig frog from Florida thrives in swamps, eating crayfish and small fish, and its legs are a popular culinary treat in some areas. The red-eyed tree frog is an icon of Central America's rainforests. With its striking red eyes and neon green body, it dines on crickets and moths. It's not edible due to its protective toxins. Tiny spring peepers, found in North America, are known for their high-pitched calls during spring. Tiny spring peepers, found in North America, are known for their high-pitched calls during spring. These frogs eat small insects and are not consumed by humans. The fire-bellied toad from Asia flaunts bright warning colors and survives on worms, beetles, and insects. Its toxic skin ensures it's not on any menu. The blue poison dart frog, native to Suriname, is a vivid sapphire. The blue poison dart frog, native to Suriname, is a vivid sapphire. It feeds on ants and termites, and like its relatives, its toxins keep it safe from predators and off dinner plates. The glass frog from South and Central America is mesmerizing, with transparent skin revealing its organs. It lives in forest canopies, eating tiny insects, but it's not edible. Then there's the waxy monkey tree frog of South America, known for its waxy secretions that protect its skin. It eats moths and crickets, but isn't suitable for consumption. The Pac-Man frog, named for its voracious appetite, lives in South America and eats anything it can overpower, from insects to small rodents. It's sometimes kept as a pet but not eaten. The grey tree frog, a chameleon of North America, blends into its surroundings and munches on flies and spiders. The tomato frog of Madagascar stands out with its vibrant red-orange skin. It eats insects and small invertebrates, but its secretions are irritating and make it inedible. The white tree frog, another Australian gem, feeds on insects and is loved for its docile nature. Its skin contains antimicrobial properties but isn't edible. The ornate horned frog from South America is another ferocious eater, consuming insects, fish, and even small frogs. Though striking in appearance, it's rarely eaten. The Darwin's frog from Chile and Argentina is famous for its unique parenting. Males carry tadpoles in their vocal sacs. It eats small insects and is not consumed. The strawberry poison dart frog, glowing like a red berry, eats ants and mites in Central America. Its skin contains toxins that deter predators. The European common frog lives in ponds and forests, eating flies, mosquitoes and slugs. It's considered edible in some cultures, especially in France. The Asian painted frog, also known as the chubby frog, survives in Southeast Asia. It eats termites and small invertebrates and isn't consumed. The harlequin toad with its intricate patterns is found in Central and South America. It lives on insects and is critically endangered, making it untouchable for human consumption. The marsh frog, Europe's largest frog, eats aquatic insects and is sometimes eaten in gourmet dishes. Meanwhile, the desert rain frog of southern Africa thrives in sandy dunes, feeding on termites and beetles. It's too tiny and precious to eat. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Frogs are a crucial part of ecosystems worldwide, controlling pests and serving as a food source for many animals. From their croaks to their leaps, each species tells a unique story. Which frog captivated you the most? Hop into the comments and let us know.